Alright, this is a heavy towel. I don't think I can do it, but we're about to find out.
I got the power. You know what I'm talking about? Strictly for the motherfucking traps. Loyalty's our life. It's not a word. Give me my power. Loyalty's our life. It's not a word. Give me my power.
Woo! I can smell the subs there. I did a towel trick. Holy crap, this thing's like 2 pounds. Wow. Holy crap. That was nice, guys. Quick video, but don't want to do that for too long. I think I was clipping. I turned it up 2 notches and that was probably clipping, but that 2 notches, you saw the difference. It went from barely floating to all the way just from those 2 notches. That was a quick clip. This is Jacob Viral out. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.